I got 2 words for you.
What they call me, promise that you never be lonely.
Ooh, I don't feel like doing the flea market today. It's been kind of slow out here in Concord, so I am going to pick and take care of responsibilities. I'm going to work on the storage unit that Scott and I bought the other day. We got to get some stuff out of there to make room to make the ads. So today's going to be kind of a taking care of business prep for a busy week. So don't forget that.
Right there.
What's up, Tom? What are you doing?
Look at this. Wrap tapes. Cool
Are you
wrap
kicking?
tapes.
Did you get those from Scott?
Bing, bing. No, I got them from Paul.
Nice. Hey, did you check out Scott's first video?
Yeah, it was dope. I even commented on it.
You did?
Yeah.
I got
the
that.
comment of the century.
That's cool. He started a channel, huh?
Yeah, it's cool. Thank you.
Okay, as I was trying to say, gonna make a little vlog of doing the stuff I do today. I don't know. Don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. And if you like my lives, I need to remind you, go to Hustle, Grind, Rewind and like that page, because as soon as it hits 1,000, I will go back to doing regular lives. I have not been doing them on a regular basis because doing too many videos on my main channel, so it's really hard to keep the promotion level up when you just spam videos. So I'm only doing 1 a day, so that's cutting into my live time. So if you want me to do more lives, go to Hustle, Grind, Rewind, like the page, subscribe, and we'll be coming soon. Here in Ghost Town, setting up, trying to get everything up.
What's up, Mikey?
What's up? What are you doing?
Let's try to make some money.
What you got here today?
Everything.
All these great storage finds?
Everything's a little bag.
Yeah. Look at that little dollar screwdriver. Yeah.
$1 is good.
Exactly. This guy's got all the high dollar tools out here. Ooh, look at that. Love pink. Amen to that. Just like my hair.
And it's lighted up. There's some water in the bottom. Look at that.
Oh.
Turn it on.
Oh, oh my God. It's like for clubbing.
Let me get you your fucking...
All right, let's see what's out here. I had to have this. I think I said this the other day in one of my morning motivational videos on Instagram. And I say this often anyway. The most important things in life are not things. Must have. What's the uniform, man?
1929. I had some guy check it out this week. It says 29 to 30, and he's not sure if it's a Seals or a Yankee.
That's what it looked like. It was a Yankees outfit.
Yeah, you see the collar on it? The half collar?
I didn't look in it.
If you look closer, there's a half collar on it.
How much is that one?
200.
Steve, what are you doing?
I don't know. Wasting my time,
Yeah, I hear you there. Sir, you got anything good today?
Everything is good here.
Where? I want to see it. How about this today? This is the good thing I find.
The most important thing is her. I just got that unit over there.
Where?
Pittsburgh? Experts?
I don't think I go to that. I don't
No,
go.
you didn't go. No, there's nothing good.
Was there anything good at Live Oak?
Live book.
The one container?
Oh, the over there? Nah.
No, I didn't
trash.
think so. Yeah. I'm tired of that
A
place.
lot of fucking trash.
Little word of advice for you want to sell at the flea market. When you park way over there, people like me aren't going to walk to see you because you're way too far away and we don't want to waste our time. Park close. Park way over here close to the front where the customers don't have to walk. You say this looks like Yankees, but don't they have the patches on them?
This is good, only nothing numbers.
Yeah.
1925? 29. 29.
Look at that one, Joe. How much you selling all those for?
All different.
How much are you selling all those?
Probably 20 bucks a piece. Safe. Huh? 30.
Joe, are you picky buyer today or what? Yeah. You're always choosy. Not really?
No, I gotta
Got a room full of stuff that
You've had a room full of stuff since the day I met you.
Scotty left.
Yeah, he's not feeling well.
Man, he didn't look good.
Did you check out his first YouTube video yesterday?
No.
He put out a YouTube video yesterday.
Okay, I'll check it out.
He's joining the craze.
I'm praying for the guy. If he doesn't,
He needs to change his eating habits.
If he doesn't get healthy, he's not gonna need no YouTube.
No. What's that? Look at you all alone over here. All by yourself.
You want to buy them?
No. Are you offering all of YouTube a bite of your sandwich?
Are you recording me, Mikey?
No, I would never do that.
Come on.
Did you watch the video with you in it the other day? You see it?
My brother spent like 30 minutes watching that.
Yeah, you're gonna be famous now.
Oh, so I get to split the money with
Cowboys.
you?
Ugh. Look at all those
That's the
good.
first year of the A's. This is the first year of the Giants. Who do the Giants got?
Too much money, huh?
Yeah,
It's got like eBay prices.
pretty much.
Of course, Nacho's going for the gold, trying to find the watches.
Seiko automatic. It's quarters.
I'm not happy. I'm not happy with them. What? $10. Oh, you did?
Yeah, I gave it 1 hour.
Yeah, all right.
But I'm gonna get this back if it's torn away. Here goes Jim.
Huh?
Torn everywhere.
Oh,
Yeah, see?
what happened?
Yeah, give me my 10 back. Everywhere.
This guy inspecting gold.
What happened?
It's torn everywhere. Okay,
Starting.
Yeah, I would take it. Yeah, all right. All right.
It's plated.
Because near the end of Babe Ruth's career, he did a lot of traveling to minor league teams and stuff like that. It's definitely old.
It's the right material.
It's I can,
No, it's, I don't
it's
know.
old,
It's like old.
but it's not a professional team
Look
would
like
have had
it's
your
white,
stitches.
white color. Very.
Yeah, that would, in an ultraviolet light that would glow. But look where the patch should be. Is there even one sewn there somewhere?
Yeah, and this is very.
That's not where the patch goes.
No, like
What is Babe?
almost
Babe
100
Ruth?
years.
That's
Yeah.
for you.
Yeah.
Read.
Are you in New York? No, not good. He plays for the Knicks. He ain't that good.
72, 73?
Yeah, not the Knicks.
Yeah.
What?
Huh. All right, YouTubes. Hey, Rene. You stole my Jordan locker.
He stole your Jordan locker?
Yes.
Oh, Renee, you
Remember
stole not.
I was betting on against
I
him.
think it was Alex though.
No, Alex quit.
Oh.
I quit too because I
Well,
wanted to
you know
get
who
it.
said that? See, that's the thing. You don't listen to the people. Harem Blanca said that, right?
Yeah, they said that to
it
me.
turns out there were all Jordans in there.
Yes, I know. I saw
and
the video.
And lots of other good stuff Renee found.
Uh-huh.
So yeah, that's why you don't listen to people. Like a lot of people, when I see the car unit, like the one spot
When I
right by-
stop, as soon as I stop, and I saw Rene had it, I knew it. It was something there.
People do that with the car unit Scott and I bought last week. Everybody's like, oh, the auctioneer show people, and then nobody wanted. That don't make it not good.
Yeah.
Look how you know that unit was great, huh?
And then the next day, Jorge told me, "Oh, you lucky you didn't buy that unit because the owner came and then he took everything with him." That was a big lie.
Nope.
I shouldn't buy that one.
People are always concerned about what somebody else doesn't want. And that's, like I said, with that car unit Scott and I bought, people thought, oh, somebody didn't want to buy that under the table or whatever the case may be. Turns out it was full of gold because I was not too spoiled. Just because this person over here don't want it doesn't mean that I can't make money off it.
Yes. ¿Qué pasa, hijo? ¿Qué pasa?
Go bug Aziz and cheeseburger one more time. I got so many car parts in my storage already, I don't even know how to sell them.
What kind? Like
Z28 and 280Z.
The 280C. What do you got 280C?
I don't know. I don't know car parts. Like you see the other day when there, I don't know car parts.
I know. That's what I heard this morning.
Gentlemen, what up?
Hey, what's up,
How are you?
I was just wondering where you were.
I'm just walking around today.
Really?
What kind of cars you guys building right now?
A Roadrunner.
A what?
Roadrunner and a 58 Vet.
What is the Roadrunner?
It's
Look at all this great stuff Aziz is selling. Are you over here shopping your buddy's stuff, Cheeseburger?
Aussies. One guy said Aussies.
One guy says Aziz is it. Who said that?
Somebody.
Just now?
No, listen to me. This customer, he came to me last week, okay?
Yeah.
I have the chair in the front.
Yeah.
He said, how much? I said, I want $40, no less. Oh, I like it. He said, I want it for my uncle. His name is George. I said, give me 40. I'm not going to say under 40. He said, oh, you know what? I'm going to go around and come back. He didn't show up. Today he came right there. Oh, you still have it? I said, I'm not saying it. I want to keep it. He said, I want it for my uncle. I want to send it. I'm not feel bad. I said, okay, $40. You can have it. Oh, I want to go around and come back. I said, if you want to go around and come back, he told me that last week. Give me deposit if you want.
Yeah.
I said that. Every week you're gonna come and tell me, oh, I'm gonna go around and come back. Okay.
Did you tell? What did you tell him when he said you're?
I think I'm keeping it.
Hey, the guy's pretty big now. Aussie 7.
I'm not friends with nobody. Pussycat.
You know what I'd do if somebody called me a chair? You wanna know what I would do? I'd have picked it up and slammed it all over the
No,
damn
I said
ground.
I'm keeping it. Why I said I want it?
No, that's exactly what I'd do.
Mikey, you know what he said? How you know?
And I tell him if somebody called me an item like that, I would pick it up and break it into 1,000 pieces on the
I
ground.
said I'm keeping it.
Now, that's what I'd have said.
No, I'm keeping it.
I would have smashed it with a bat.
Hey, see you guys later.
I'm telling you.
I'm going. I'm coming to leave.
Adios, Nacho.
All right, take it easy.
I now spent what, a good hour and a half walking around this flea market, trying to find something to buy. I found worth purchasing had nothing to do with making money, but it's just words of wisdom. Once again, the most important things aren't things. And one of the customers brought us some wonderful, wonderful looking muffins right here. Those look really, really good. So we're off right now to work on making some sales for this automobile machine shop storage unit. You're gonna see we're selling one of the motors right now. Got to get the forklift going. I hope y'all are enjoying this unit. It's something totally a little bit nuts. Most people are scared of it. I can't wait to be able to. So let's dig into this right now. Don't forget to hit the like button right now. Just like this video and share. Go on your MySpace, go on Yelp, go run out the ice cream man right now and tell the ice cream man, watch this video by the Storage Auction Pirate. I love him. And comment below. I love the Storage Auction Pirate. Let's see how my forklift skills are. Oh. It does work. It has no brakes. No brakes. Nope.
Why weren't you out here?
I went to some other stupid auction. This is my backyard. I was planning on coming out.
Goodbye, Packard motor. You were good to us. Look at the oil stick in there. Oh, it's a little low on oil.
What are you going to do when you run out of time?
Oh, it'll be gone by then.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. What is this? I bet this is an expensive tool right here. Looks like it does something to do with springs, maybe? Or, I don't know.
Holy fucking nigga.
It's got a weird little arm on it. Like you mount that to somewhere and then this comes in there like this. What do we got? Look at all those things. Technical doodad.
Be a model somewhere on it.
Sweet. This type of stuff Steve would like.
Crankshaft grinder. Sending.